Hi boys and girls, for this activity you are going to need your iPad and you are going to be using the Seesaw app. The first thing you need to do is get a friend to take a picture of you. And when they take your picture, you're going to want to be standing just like the little girl in this picture. So see how her arms are out and her legs are out and she's smiling. So have your friend use the camera and take a picture of you on the Seesaw app. All right, once your picture is done, then you need to click on the drawing tool and choose the color that you want to do. Okay, and you're going to be writing the parts of a flower. So you can write the word flower and the word stem and the word roots and the word leaf. If you forget how to spell it, you can come back to this video, but if not, you can just use your kindergarten spelling and give it your best try. What's important is if you know the parts of a flower, so don't really worry too much about how they're spelled. Give it your best try.